The truth is, AI will replace some software engineers, especially you. Ask me how. Hello everyone, my name is Adebola David. I'm a software engineer with over 15 years of practical experience. So today we'll be sharing briefly with you the category of people that AI will replace. And I'm sure you that is watching might be in that WhatsApp. The question is no longer can AI code, because AI today writes code, generates a full dynamic website, can generate a backend logic and so many other things that some even software engineers cannot do. So the question should be, which engineers are AI going to replace? Here are the set of software engineers that AI is going to replace. One, software engineer that depends on tutorial only. There are some set of software engineers that watch YouTube tutorial, comb the whole YouTube, watching how to build a WhatsApp clone, how to build a Facebook clone, how to build this clone. I call them clone engineers because they copy down verbatim code they watch in that tutorial and sometimes duplicate the repo of the tutorial master, the person teaching the tutorial. So this kind of engineer, AI is coming for your job, not my fault. Secondly, engineers that do not know the fundamentals of engineering. There are a whole lot of fundamentals in software engineering. One thing you should know as a software engineer is that Slack can change, but the principle does not change. Like for example, you are going to test for a condition. The condition remains checking for a truth and a false or in between situation. That is, if a situation, if a condition is true, do this. If a situation is false, do this. You can do this with different Slack. For example, we are writing in Python, we are writing in PHP, we are writing with JavaScript, we are writing with whatever. You are doing the same comparison with different syntaxes now in different frameworks or languages. But the principle remains, you are checking for the truth. So if you understand the principle, that's why you see many engineers, they have the capacity to learn so many languages with ease, not because they have the bigger brain or bigger understanding than yourself, but because they understand the concept, the principle. So most engineers who doesn't understand fundamentals, bro, AI is gonna replace you. You hear that from me. 3, lazy engineers. Yeah, the fact is that most of the engineers are lazy physically, but they are not intellectually lazy. Tasks that are brain demanding, that require you to sit down, understand the system. How can I go about this problem? Solve this issue with this? What's like am I using? And all of that. All they just want to do is simple tasks. They want to be on login, register, forgot password kind of building. This will not help you. If you are in this WhatsApp group, prepare. AI is coming to collect your job. So, how do you stop this? How do you prevent AI from taking your job? I know you'll be happy with me now. I'm trying to share quality. So, as an engineer, you must learn the fundamentals of engineering. Learn the system designs, how API works, how system works, how the web works, and what you are building. So many people are like coder instead of engineers. But the real engineer who is going to stay for long are those that understand the cause. The AI itself is being maintained by some sort of engineer, isn't it? The front and back end and logics of the AI that we use today and the models are being maintained by engineers. Are you telling me AI will replace those maintaining it? That's not going to be possible. So you have to have a critical thinking, you have to understand system design and a whole lot of things. This is what will position you from being replaced by AI. So, till I see you on the next one, keep building, keep shipping, catch you on the next one.